Hello class 11. Today is the last part. We will discuss about the derivative meaning of education. In the last class we have discussed the definition of education. Today we will start with the derivative meaning of education. Now we must know that what is the actual meaning of derivative education, derivative word. So derivative word means from where the word is being developed, or what are the inner meaning from where the word is being derived. Now if this type of question will come, then you have to say that there are four different derivative word of the particular word education. Now the word education has come from, it's a English term and from some Latin words. So education is basically an English word that we all know, and it has come from four different Latin words. Now what are they? Number one is educier. See, here I am writing, again you will get it in your PDF. Educier means drawing out. Number two, educare. Educare means to nourish. Now, the third word is educo, which means leading forth. Now I will discuss one by one in detail what is the meaning of that. Leading forth. And finally, the fourth word is educatum. That is to instruct or giving instruction. Now see what we have told, that education is an English word and it has four Latin derivative meaning. Means it is an English word that we understood, and there are four different Latin words. So what are they? First one is educier. You will get all in PDF. Educier, educere. Educier means drawing out. Drawing out, in the previous class we have discussed that what is the meaning of drawing out. Drawing out means to take out all the inherent power which is hidden inside an individual. So we are drawing out, we are exploring, we are bringing up all the hidden capacity which the child has got through his ancestors or through his parents. Next is educare. Care word we know, it is means to take care of. So the word educare, educare, means to nourish. Means when a newborn, when something new is in your house, what do? We take care of it very seriously, isn't it? So a baby child also need the same care from their parents, because the child is too much dependent on their parents and family members, isn't it? In elder brother, sister also take care of them, grandparents also take care of them, and also obviously the parents also take care of them. So they need the child who will be educated, they must need a proper nourishment. Third word, educo, which is the meaning of leading forth. Leading forth means the responsibility of the parents does not only stop after nourishing. So the proper parenting means to lead the child towards a proper future, a good prosperous life, isn't it? So educo is leading forward towards a great future or a better future. And finally, education, educatum, educatum, educatum is to instruct or to give instructions. So means parents also, we all know that we need instruction, though sometimes to you it sounds very bad, but it's not good. After all, when you will become parents, you will understand that why the parents always used to instruct their child. So jokes apart, so these are the 4 Latin derivative meaning which we are getting here. So as I have told you in the previous class, this 4 derivative meaning is a very important for objective, because later on at the end of the session we will discuss the question paper and we will see the question papers, and we will see that how the question paper, what is the question pattern and how objectives can come, MCQs will come. Suppose one is given and all the 4 options are being given, you have to choose the correct one. Like that, everything will be given in details. You will understand. I will show you how to attempt them, how to do, everything will be shown. And so this is all about the third part of the, that is the derivative meaning of education. Now finally, one short question which can come from this chapter is the word Siksha. Now the word Siksha, it is also means learning. Now Siksha, that is the word Siksha, SIKSHA, it is a Bengali word, isn't it? Which means Shikha. Shikha means education, or Siksha, which is a Bengali word, and it has come, the term has been derived from the word SAS, which is a Sanskrit word. So Sanskrit word, and it means to rule. Okay, so to rule, to control, or to discipline. So the word here, it is also, you will get it again, I am telling, again I am repeating, this chapter is very important for objective. You will see when you will buy Kalidas Hajra book, you will see that a big details is given. No need to read. Keep confidence in yourself and keep confidence on me. Don't read more. Whatever is being discussed in class, whatever is given in the class, whatever questions are being discussed, if you read, if you go through thoroughly, you will get all the answers correct. So this chapter is highly important for objective. Again I will take only definition, derivative meaning, and this particular word Siksha, you have to keep it in mind. It's a Bengali word. It has come from the Sanskrit word Sas, and the word meaning of Sas is to rule, to control, and to keep discipline the children. So this is all about our first chapter. Questions I have discussed, you will get in PDF. I have also told you. Next day we will start with aims of education. Thank you very much.